Good morning, class. I am going to talk about online class etiquette today. So first, when you're online, you want to be prepared. Sign into your Microsoft Teams or Google Classroom at least 3 to 5 minutes before your scheduled class time. You want to make sure you won't miss instructions, that your connection to the internet and computer is working, and just making sure you're ready for class. Make sure your laptop is charged and you have a charger near an electrical outlet. Nobody wants to see you trying to figure out where an outlet is. It can be distracting. Make sure you have your class materials ready and within reach. Things like a notebook, pens, any books you might need. Remember to click mute. Say hello when you arrive to your teacher, and then mute your microphone. There is a little mute button on both Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. When you talk or share with the class, be aware of any background noise. Everyone can hear that noise behind you. As soon as you're done sharing your thought or idea, remember to mute your microphone again. Camera awareness. Be aware of your camera and what is in the frame. Some of our lessons will be recorded so that other students can go back and watch them if they were not able to be on the computer at that time. Make sure you're wearing appropriate clothing. Leave your laptop camera in one sitting position for the whole period of class. It can be distracting if you move your camera around as you walk around or move. I understand that sometimes that might be necessary, but just try not to move around while we're having class. And be an active listener. Look at your screen when teachers are giving instruction or a classmate is sharing. Give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, nod your head, communicate in the chat box. Take notes and ask for clarification if needed. I know sometimes you may feel more comfortable with your camera off, but it's nice to see everyone's face so that I can know that you're paying attention and you're engaged in class. Also, take care of what you need. It's okay to step away from your laptop to use the bathroom, get it some water, grab a tissue. Obviously, you don't want to take your laptop or phone with you into the bathroom. If your computer dies or is about to die quickly, get it charged and log back into class. It's okay. We understand that these things happen. Always communicate with your teacher on what things you might need to be more successful for class. Remember to communicate with your teachers. Remember to show your face, raise your hand, communicate in the chat. All these things will help us know that you are following along and understanding what we're teaching, or if you have a question and don't understand what we're talking about, it's important to let me know. And most of all, have fun. You can change the background for your Google Meet or Google Team. You can choose a Bitmoji, or you can create or redesign wherever you're working. But remember, we are here to have fun, and we want you to have fun too. Okay, do you have any questions? After you've watched this video, and you may have chosen to change your language to get subtitles in Spanish or Vietnamese or Portuguese, please ask me any questions you have and tell me one thing you learned from this video. Thank you.